Hello there, my name is Siti Nabila, also known as Belle. I am a certified lactation professional, ACLP CLP. I'm also the founder and content creator of Milking Moments, which you can find on IG, Facebook, and I'm also now on TikTok. So today we will be reviewing the Imani i1plus breast pump. Okay, so it's going to be a bit of an unboxing as well because it's quite heavy. It's still in the box. I just bought it like last week. So I love that it comes in a big box. You see, it's like a present, you know. I feel like a kid on Christmas Day just opening up my present. It's just so exciting. Okay, so let me open it up. So this is how it looks like inside. You know. Okay. It comes with a manual. So instruction for use has everything. It's quite I think it's quite easy to understand. It gives you a guide on pumping, specification, use and storage, even troubleshooting. So very handy if you need it. Okay, what else? Breast shields. Okay, so they give you two types of breast shield. I mean breast shields in two sizes. One is 24 mm, 24 millimeters, and the other one is 28 millimeters. Depending on your size, which one fits you. So make sure to get yourself size up first. Make sure to get yourself size first to know what exactly is your size. Let me open up one. Here you go. So cute, so nice. It comes with there you go. That's how it looks like. And then there's the bottle that you will. It's so cute. I like it. I like the whole. It's like long, thin, cylindrical. When you pump, you screw it. That's how it looks like. I love it. I love the whole look. It's just, unlike the other breast pumps, this one, if you can see, there's the flange. It's all sticking up. Okay, let's move on. The power cable. Let me see. Oh, it comes with a 3-pin plug, which is quite convenient. And then there's the adapter itself. All right. Now let's look at the breast pump itself. There you go. Look at it. It's a thing of beauty. See how it looks. It's so nice. Look at the shape. I just love the whole design of Imani. It's squarish, it feels like it's very compact. Like you can put it in your bag. It can fit in any bag. I love it. It's light, but it's not like, it's lightweight, but it's not light, it's still heavy. you know, good product heavy, if you know what I mean. So the settings are all here. I mean, you can't really see it clearly on the camera. Okay, so there's the massage mode here. There's the expression mode here, and lights. I better connect this to a power source first, you know, just to see. And then there's a vacuum here, timer, cycle, increase and decrease, increase and decrease. This is the on and off button. Oh, there you go. It's switched on now. There's the timer. There's the battery. It's full. Okay, let me try. This is the massage mode. Oh, the massage mode. It's so quiet. You can't hear anything. Oh, wow. This is really quiet, surprisingly. I have my Spectra S1, and I thought my Spectra S1 is quite, you know, quiet as well. But it's not as quiet as this one. This is like really quiet. Can't hear anything. Like basically you can only hear like little rumbling sound. Okay, so this is the massage mode. So you basically can play with it. You can increase the cycles. 1 or 2. The vacuum. Okay, it goes up to 6 only, which is okay. Yeah, you don't need that much during the massage mode. And then let's move to the expression mode. Expression mode. It automatically changes for you somehow, but then, you know, you can play around with the settings to find out which one works best for you. Let's see. Cycle goes up to 6. Vacuum goes up to 7. If you lower down the cycle, you can increase the vacuum. If you lower down the cycle again, you can increase the vacuum. So the vacuum goes up to 12, and the cycle goes up to 6. Oh, it gives you variety, so that's good. You know, for a breast pump, that's really good. Still very, very, very quiet. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna switch this off first. Okay, so the Imani. So that's how you pronounce it. It's Imani. Okay, Imani i1plus. It's a hospital grade breast pump. So if you are looking at, if you're trying to increase your milk supply, this is your breast pump. This is the breast pump for you. You need a good, reliable, hospital grade breast pump. Okay, so there are not many hospital grade breast pump out there. There's the Spectra, you know, some Modellas, which is not really available in Brunei. You know, yeah. So this is a good option. I love it. So next I will do a review on when I use it, like when I actually use it, so I can tell you whether it's really good or not. Okay, so for today it's just the unboxing part. Next video I will do the review, the actual review on the breast pump, on how it works, whether I find it comfortable or not. I'll show you. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, this is the charging port. Where's the light thing? Okay, let me switch it on again. Oh, there we go. For late night pumpings, the lighting will come in handy. Yeah, it's at the back near the charging port. so far I love it. I mean, it's just very simple. It's just, you know, very simple. I like that in a breast pump. Doesn't confuse you, especially for first time mothers. It's, you know, yeah. So far so good. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.